Hello, I am Dr. Perry Jones. I'm a practicing dentist in Richmond, Virginia. I teach at Virginia Commonwealth University School of Dentistry. I'm a master of the Academy of General Dentistry and an author of several different articles recently in Dentistry Today. I want to make you aware of one of those articles, which I think may be of interest to general dentists. We're going to talk in the article. The article, by the way, is called Transforming Aesthetics Using CAD/CAM Dentistry, and it discusses how to make provisionals using the principles that we can approved principles, tested principles that we have to be able to make modifications and make changes to our provisionals. In this particular case, there was an example of a black triangle, and we used some principles from Dr. Tarnow to be able to reduce the size of the black triangle that existed between the patient's front teeth. The article may be of interest for doctors who are interested in pre-making their provisionals and making custom-fit provisionals that satisfy the highest level of aesthetics. Some of the principles that we use then can be employed by labs, in this particular case the Glidewell lab, and I think the article will be of interest for doctors who may want to use pre-made provisionals to help test both the function and the form of their restorations. Again, Dr. Perry Jones, and the article is in Dentistry Today, the June issue. Thank you so much.